What's good, Auto Gang? Let's get straight to it. If you have an X5 BMW and it's dead, need to jump it. I'm gonna show you the jumping locations and also where the battery location is as well. So, say your vehicle's dead, you need to jump. Pop the hood. Well, the only thing, if you don't know where to jump it at, see the battery is in the trunk. And the problem with that is if the vehicle is dead, then you can't pop the trunk. Not unless you climb back there and everything. Hold up. Pop the trunk, positive cable, and you can put it on the body. So I say put it right here. Be able to give the vehicle some juice to pop that trunk. Pop the trunk right quick. Man, I did the key. Anyway. Pop your trunk. Lift this cover up. Now once you lift this cover up, you need an 8mm. You have 5 8mm screws. One right here, one on this side, and 2 below. Unscrew those, this little panel comes up, and here's your battery. Positive side, negative side. Be able to jump your vehicle off or replace your battery. So if this video helped, give me a thumbs up. Like, subscribe for more car videos.